I swim like a pro. Fly across continents without a passport. Sleep with one eye open. Scream at strangers. And the males are, let's say, some weird designs. Think corkscrew. Wait, what? Add waterproof feathers, built-in sunglasses, and a tendency to poop mid-flight, and now we are really cooking. Then, who are you? An alien? Nope. I am a duck. My official title in the animal kingdom is Anas Platyrenkos, but you can just call me Mallard or the Bread Bandit. I am part of the Anatidae family, which includes ducks, geese, and swans. Basically, we are the waterfowl mafia. I dabble. That means I tip my feathery butt into the air and scoop up food from the surface of the water like I am searching for sunken treasure. Some of my cousins are divers, though. They plunge headfirst into the deep like caffeinated penguins. We live on ponds, lakes, rivers, city fountains, and sometimes even storm drains. If there is water and people willing to throw carbs, we are there. Yeah, I know what you have heard. The rumors are true. Males are equipped with a special spiral-shaped structure for reproduction. Why? Because duck romance is a battlefield. Female ducks have evolved a labyrinthine reproductive system with dead ends and fake turns to stop unwanted advances. So us males evolve spiral junk to try and keep up. It is like a bizarre evolutionary version of The Bachelor, except nobody wins. Also, consent matters. So if you are imagining our mating habits as romantic, just do not. Nature got a little wild with us. I am loud, quacking loud, but not just for fun. I use different sounds to say things like there is food, danger, or back off, that is my bread. And yes, I can recognize my friends and even warn them about predators. Also, fun fact, ducks from different places quack in different accents. My cousin from Liverpool sounds totally different from the mallard in New York. We could start an international duck podcast. I can see 2 to 3 times better than humans. I see colors almost 360 degrees around me. Yep, even behind. And even ultraviolet light, stuff you can not see. Oh, and I have got 3 eyelids. One of them works like built-in swim goggles. Cute and high tech. Beat that. I am not dumb. I can understand abstract concepts like same and different. Some studies show I have outperformed preschoolers in pattern recognition. You might call me a feather genius with a bill. Speaking of bills, mine is not just a cute bread vacuum. It is packed with touch-sensitive receptors that help me detect insects, seeds, and underwater snacks. Think of it like a beaked version of a metal detector, only tastier. Twice a year, I molt. That means I shed all my old feathers and grow new ones. During molting season, I look like someone plucked me in their sleep. I cannot even fly during that time, so I just shuffle around the pond like a fashion disaster in progress. But when I am fully feathered, I slay. My iridescent green head, iconic. My smooth glide across water, Oscar-worthy. Ever flown 3,000 kilometers just for a change of weather? I have. Every winter, my friends and I migrate from the freezing north to warmer waters. Some ducks even fly across countries or continents guided by stars, Earth's magnetic field, and probably sheer attitude. No map, no Google, just instinct. And yes, I remember exactly where I nested last year. I am basically a feathery grandma with GPS. Here is the tea. Male ducks, not the best dads. After mating, most of us guys just vanish. The females build the nest, sit on the eggs, and raise all the ducklings solo. Shout out to Mom. She deserves a pond-sized Mother's Day gift. And ducklings, we are born ready. Like literally, within hours, we are walking, swimming, and learning how to avoid being lunch. Tough love, baby. Sure, I get pooped on by seagulls, chased by toddlers, and sometimes swallowed by documentaries as adorable pond life. But I can fly, swim, nap with half my brain. And I once stole an entire sandwich from a guy named Steve. Being a duck is messy, weird, loud, and totally bonkers. But you know what? I would not trade this quacky life for anything.